Between a rock and a hard place, red wine and mistakes, tears rolling down your face. When I walked out that door, that's when I lost it. A midnight in Austin, damn, I'm exhausted. What the hell's this all for? Is this where it mends or it breaks? Between a rock and a hard place. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Bicycle Plays Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe and let me know if you have any questions in the comments or other songs you would like to learn. So this is how to play Rock and a Hard Place by Bailey Zimmerman. This is a super cool song right now, so I'm going to teach you how to play it. There's only 4 chords, okay? 3 of them you're going to use 95% of the time, okay? And then there's the G chord you're going to throw in a couple times. It's in standard tuning, capo on the 1st fret. All right, mine's a little crooked, but it still works. So you're gonna use A minor, C, F, and then you're also going to use G. But that's not the order. So the order of it. So stick with me because the chorus is a little different. So the way that the intro and the verse go is A minor, C, F, C. Okay, so that's how like almost all of the verses go. So the way, and you can do, if you're going to be trying to do the hammer-ons, I would do it with your ring finger there, and then the C you do your middle finger. Okay, same with the F, do your middle finger. By the way, you can also do this F instead. So you could do. So that's that F, or you can do. Okay, but either way, you can be hammering on and pulling off with your ring finger on the A minor. Okay, and then you go to the C. So it's just going to be that. So the way you're going to strum it is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, just like that. Okay, and then you're going to start over and you just do it twice with no lyrics. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so that's how you're going to do the intro part. I think it's a little easier to strum it this other way when you're playing the verses. So you're going to do, we've been swinging. So swinging, you're going to do A minor. Swinging and missing. So you're just going to do down, up, 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 down. Okay, so that's the way I would play it during the verses because it's a lot easier to play and sing. So you'll do, we've been swinging. Swinging is A minor. Swinging and missing. Missing is C, okay? Missing. And then you do F, it ain't broke yet, but damn. So F on broke, and then damn is where you're gonna do C. Damn, it needs fixing. So fixin' is where you're gonna do A minor. Fixin', C. Been a while. So while is F. While since your kiss. Okay, so kiss is C. Kiss felt like kissing. So kissin' is A minor. Kissin' is just. So you do C on it's. It's just different. So different is F. And C. And we've been talking. So talking is A minor. Talking about forever since. So forever is where you're going to do C. Forever since we've been together. Something about a ring. Okay, so he goes way faster here. We've been talking about forever since. So it's actually since is we're gonna do C. Since we've been together, something. So something is F. Something about a ring makes, and then makes is C. Makes you think we're better off. So off is A minor. Off with all. So all is C. All this, but we're caught in. Before you go into the first chorus, you're gonna kind of stop. Caught in. Between a rock and a hard. So on hard is where you're going to do A minor, okay? Hard place, red wine and mistakes, tears rolling. So you're still doing A minor, C, F, C for most of the chorus, okay? It's almost entirely that. But the strumming pattern is a little different. You're going to do down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. So I'm going to show you how you do that. So you're going to go between a rock and a hard. So hard is A minor. Hard plays red. So red is C. Red wine and mistakes. Miss is where you do F. Mistakes, tears rolling. Rolling is C. Rolling down your is A minor. Your face when I walked to C. Walked out that door. So when you're going into door, you're going to do F. Door. That's when I'm lost. So lost is A minor. Lost in a midnight is where you do C. Midnight in Austin. So Austin is F. Okay, and you're going to do C on damn. Damn, I'm exhausted. Exhausted is where you do A minor. Exhausted, what the hell's? Hell's a C. Hell's this all? So all four, you're going to do F4. You stay on this and you do, then here's where you do G. Okay, so you do G. Is this, so you do on G, on this. Is this where it mends or it breaks? So breaks is F. So it's going to go sound like this. Is this where it mends or it breaks? Okay, breaks is F. Breaks between a rock and a hard place. Okay, then you're going to go play it like you did in the intro once, and then go into the second verse. The second verse, second chorus are the same. Then the instrumental part, when you end the second chorus, you're just going to be playing the like intro riff and everything again. So you're just going to do A minor, C, F, C, A minor, C, F, C. Okay, and then when you do that, so you're going to then go into F. We've been talking, so then you're going to go into talking about forever since we've been together. Something battery makes you think we're better off with. So here you're just going to be playing that faster part, and you're going to start with G. We've been talking is G. Talking about forever since we've been together. Something battering, so something is F. Something battering makes you think we're better off. Off is A minor. Off with all this, and then all is C. All this, but we're caught in. Okay, and then when you get to this chorus right here, you're actually just going to play it softer. Between a rock and a hard place. Okay, rock and a hard place. Tears rolling, and then you're just going to go right into it and then end it. So between a rock and a hard place. Tears rolling down your face, and just play it through, okay? I'm totally screwing that up right there, but so you're just going to between a rock and a hard place, red wine and mistakes, tears rolling down your face. Okay, and just play it through. When you end the song, you're just going to end it like you started it, with the A minor, C, F, C twice with no lyrics, and that's it. And if you want to throw in those little hammer-ons, you can do so you can throw in that middle finger or whatever you want to do with those little hammer-ons. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and see me next time.